What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this $1,674.75 check with affiliate marketing. Yes. Finally, the big checks are coming. Look, that's what Emancipation Occupation is all about. I'm here to give you the ideas, the tips, the tricks, the techniques, the things that I have done so that I can help you be emancipated from your occupation. If that just totally went over your head, it's okay. It's just freedom from your job. In order to have freedom from your job, you can't just make $200, $300, $400 checks. It's good, but you need a little bit more so that you can thrive and not just survive. I'm into thriving. I can't stand it when people say, oh, I'm just living to make another day, or I'm barely making it. No, you're made for better than that. But I'm not on my motivational speaking soapbox here. Check it out. This check was for nearly $2,000, which you previously saw in the intro. It took some work, but I got it. I got it. And this isn't the first big check that I've made. If you check out some of my other YouTube videos, if you check out my blog, check the information down below in order to get information to my blog. But I've made tons of big checks, and this is something I'm trying to make a living doing. And I'm trying to teach you guys how to do this, because getting a six-figure life will be so much easier if you deal with high-ticket items. I'm huge on high-ticket items. I teach you how to do that on my blog as well. And so just read up, get the information that's out there. Not only is the information out there since it's provided from me, I'm showing you what I've been doing to make these big ticket sales and things of that nature. One of my videos, I explained how I made a huge check of $9,639 from wholesaling homes. Now that might be a little bit different for some of you guys. I understand that real estate might not be your thing, but it may be worth it because there's still a lot of deals to be done out there. Now let's retrack and get back to this big check that I got. So this happened because I was doing some stuff. Actually, I got started with real estate, and then once I got real estate going, I went to a conference. I went to a conference with Jamel Gibbs. I'm a professional real estate coach with him. He kind of allows me to help him out with these conferences and things of that nature. And I ended up making a connection. And this guy put me in contact with another financial institution who needed people to help them make some affiliate sales. And so here come moi, and I made a couple of affiliate sales. I had a $200 one, a $250 one. I believe I had another $300 one, and this was probably about a year ago. And so I was testing this out to really see if this program was real. And you guys need to do the same thing. My wife's calling me. Hello? Hey, babe. Why do you text me and then you call me? I don't understand. I'm back. Sorry about that. I had to take care of the business. Husbands, you understand. If you do not pick up the phone when your wife calls, you're in big trouble. Let's just kind of refocus a little bit because I did get off track. So with the checks, so when it comes to making these $1,000 checks and up, it really changes your whole business. It just does wonders for you. And you're actually making more money than what you would if you had like a retail store. So you're really just putting yourself that much far ahead of the game. And so for my methods to teach you how to make, $250, $300, and $400 using Fiverr and things of that nature, it really comes in handy. But now you're really playing with the big boys, because now you can scale. And you can scale because you can now hit that six-figure mark a whole lot more easier once you figure out how to make your $1,000 check. Once you make one, you're able to make all tons of it. Why? Because you now see what is possible. And so let's use the example that the loyal customer example that a lot of people like to use. So you have 100 loyal customers, and let's say they spend $1,000 each. Let's do the math. 1,000 times 100. Hold on, let me do this really quick. I don't need no calculator. That's $100,000. $100,000 if you have 100 loyal customers who purchase your $1,000 product. Now, most likely not gonna have a $1,000 product if you are into product creation or you're doing your own type of deal. However, if you're doing affiliate products, Most of the time you're either going to have a 50% commission or a 20% commission. I tend to go towards the 50% commission. In this case, this wasn't 50%, this was a lot smaller. I'll get into that in a second though. If you're going to promote something that is 50% commission to 100 of your customers, that is, you just have to get 100 of your customers, your loyal customers, not just regular customers, loyal people who follow you and just eat everything up because you provide such great content. You will have to promote a $2,000 product to them so that they purchase it, and then you get an affiliate check of $1,000. It's not hard to do. You just find a product, you find a demand, and then you couple the product with the demand and you make the money. You're the middleman. That's what I do with real estate all day. I find a property and I find the buyer who is looking for that property, and I couple them together and I make profits off of it. That is also affiliate commission. That brings me into my next thing that I want to tell you guys about. For myself as being an internet marketer, one of the things I can be entrapped in is the idea of only doing info products and info product launches, because launches is really where you make the most money at, not just these small little affiliate product sales. It's when there's contests and when a product first comes out and you know they're throwing money all over the place because they really want their product to launch successfully so that it can continue to sell in the long run. But what you want to keep in mind is outside of the realm of info products, just do what you do. Like I said, I'm into real estate as well. So guess what other type of products I have affiliate programs with? What did I just make this check off from? I said a financial institution, which was a connection through real estate. You can do the same thing. Right now, at the time that I'm making this video, it is tax season. H&R Block has a fantastic lead page that just involves something like the name, phone number, and email address, and they're paying $15 per commission. If you have a money blog, you can be killing it with this thing, with this lead page, this affiliate offer. $15 per lead. That is insane. If you're into cooking and maybe you have a cooking blog, you could possibly, you know, be an Amazon affiliate. And what's that lady name? I don't know. She does cooking. She lives on a farm and stuff. She's on the Food TV network. I don't know it. You guys know it. Her products are super expensive. And I guarantee you, if you go on Amazon and that you're an Amazon associate, I'm pretty sure the commission from her set is pretty pricey and pretty good. You take the people who are already watching and viewing and reading your blogs and YouTube videos and stuff, and then you pair them with a nice affiliate product, big ticket items. You don't just simply do the $6, $7 thing, the 50-cent thing. There's a time and a place for that, but go big, because you're going to do the same type of work anyway. My friends, I used Facebook ads to drive traffic for this particular product as well. And I use the Facebook ads lead forms in order to get these leads. I was able to get about 20 people in about 3 days, close to 200 bucks. You don't have to spend that much on ads. However, I got one person from out of that 20 to qualify for this funding. And every time I get somebody funded, based off the amount that they get funded, that's how much my affiliate check is. I knew that if I was to get this person funded because they were qualified, I was going to get at least a $350 to $650 check. Now, this doesn't equate to the check that I showed you guys, but because I got 3 people funded that month, I was able to accumulate that to equal that one big check. Guys, this is only the beginning for this program. Facebook ads is phenomenal to couple with your affiliate products. I can show you another video in how I used the Facebook lead ads and how I did it, but it's very powerful. It automatically captures a name, email information, and by the click of a button, it does it automatically. They don't have to go to another landing page to fill out something, which saves you money because you don't have to purchase something like lead pages or click funnels or anything like that. I do have something called Profit Builder where I build my own pages, my own custom pages. It's a whole lot cheaper than ClickFunnels. I'm gonna probably move up to ClickFunnels soon, but my business just isn't there yet. I want it kind of more so on autopilot. And I also like the power of doing some of the custom things that I do with Profit Builder. But with that said, if you have a little bit of money to spend, use some Facebook ads to run traffic towards your affiliate products. It can help. You don't have to do it. I'm telling you, this isn't mandatory, but If you have the money to do that, it increases your revenues a whole lot more better because you are now able to scale. I'm all about scaling. So just to finish this whole thing, I got my huge check by finding the affiliate program with a high ticket item, driving traffic to it, and then collecting my check. Those are 3 simple little things for you, 3 takeaway items. You guys can do the same thing. If you want more information, please check out my blog. I go into detail about everything. I condense it. I make it sound a whole lot more better, and it makes more sense in my blog. Right now I'm just kind of rambling on. After having that check in my hand, man, it feels so good to deposit that thing. I just want to encourage you guys, if you are a stay-at-home mom, stay-at-home dad, college student, somebody who has had medical issues, you just need the extra money, affiliate marketing is the way to go. I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe my video below. Don't forget to like my stuff that I put out. Check out my Twitter, my Facebook. Everything you need to know as far as following me is down in the description below. We will see you guys later, and hit me up whenever you get your high ticket affiliate commission check.